Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look. I'm absolutely obsessed with the eyes. It looks like I spent a lot longer on it than I actually did. It's fairly easy to achieve if you practice your blending skills. I used two brushes and there are two fluffy brushes. It's one of those ones where you can wear it on a casual, you can wear it on a really glammed up night. It's just so freaking good. I'm just so obsessed with it. I just love it. I love it. I also tried a load of new products so you guys can see how I'm feeling with the new ends on the market. One of them I bought myself, which is the Tatcha Silk Primer, and the lashes as well I bought myself. Both from Sephora, which I picked up while I was in Miami. Everything else I got in PR. You guys already know the drill. You go how it goes when it goes, basically. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy it, please not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, share it with your pals, put it in your group chat, all that really good stuff. Leave a comment as well, let me know what you loved, let me know if you learned something new as well. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Much love, always enjoy today's video, and I'll see you guys at the end. Bye. Let's start off with lips. I've got some new products from Fenty. You guys know, obviously you just watched the intro. I want to try a load of new products today. So Fenty have got some new lip products. This is a lip scrub and this is a lip balm. You can see all the... Oh, something just fell. Oh! I just saw a spider fall from the corner of my room. So I ran over to it to try and kill it, and I lost it. If you hear me screaming, it's because the bitch has found me. So I'm just gonna take the lip scrub. Oh, it smells really good. Operation cleaner. Ooh. I personally like that lip scrub. I'm gonna go over top with the lip balm, of course. The lip balm has a slight tint to it, but I like it because it's glossy. This is in the shade Hint Hint. My lips are a little bit tingly, but that's probably because I'm very aggressive with the lip scrub. You don't have to be as aggressive as me. That's probably why my lips are tingling. Let's move on now to primer. For primer today, I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I picked this up while I was in Miami. I've literally been trying to get hold of my hands on this. It's really fresh. I've been trying to get my hands on this for bloody ages, but it's pretty much always sold out. You're supposed to warm it up in your fingers, that's what the instructions say. Primer eyes, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I want to do a bronzy look today. I think that's what I want to go for. Something bronzy but quite glam. And then I just blend that in using my Morphe E24. I like to prime first because it just gives that primer time to sit in while you're cracking on with the rest of your face. Or the rest of your eyes, shall I say. Or you're cracking on with your eyes, not the rest of, with your eyes. Apply that using the stippling motion. Applies nice and evenly. Set my base down lightly with the Huda Easy Bake Powder. Brush is a NARS brush, I can't remember what it's called, but it's a really nice one for setting your eyes and under eyes. It's just very nice multi-purpose. My nose is going through it. For eyes today, I'm using the Secret palette from Nabla. Really nice actually. Lots of pretty colours. I feel like there's quite a lot of range in here. Pink tones, more of your bluish, turquoisey tones. Then you've got more of your nudie, browny, earthy tones. And then you've got some neutrals down the side there. I want to keep it quite simple. So I'm going to try and use 2, maybe 3 colours. Mi culpa. Let's go in with that first. Before I go in that one, I'm just going to take my Huda Topaz Obsession and pop into just the shade up here, just for a nice neutral flush of colour on my Morphe M535. I'm noticing that colours in the Nabla palette are quite cool, and cool tones don't always work on me. Plug that right into, notice how my eyes are closed, so I'm getting right into that crease. Nice fluffy brush just to really diffuse that colour. Just want to sweep it back and forth, and you can use circular motions as well to really help you blend that out. You can blend it onto the eyelid as well as blend it upwards. Now I'm going to take my eyes over 227. I'm going to go in that Mia Coppola. I'm just going to focus this on the outer. Whoa, pigment, hello, how you doing? Thanks for joining us. I'm going to pack it on the outside and then blend it through. And repeat, so pack and then blend through. I like to use circular motions as I'm coming in towards the inside. Light-handed as well. When you have less product on your brush, you can then start sweeping the colour up towards the brow bone. We puff the rest into this inside. I want this look to be super easy, so I don't want to add too, not super easy, but to be easy enough to achieve that you can practice it maybe 1 or 2 times and you'll be able to get it, provided that you practice your blending. So I want to keep it the steps down. Last step is just to add a nice bit of shimmer into the inside. I'm going to go in with Creation Crown. That looks nice. It looks like a nice bronzy gold. Tap off the excess and then just apply. I can already tell that I'm really gonna like this look. I want to finish off with this, the Hoodwitch and Smashbox collaboration. This is the Always On liquid eyeshadow in the shade That's Fire. That's what it looks like. I want to apply it, but I might wait a little bit. Apply it towards the end. I don't know, we'll see. Pretty much the eye's done. Obviously I just have to do the lower lash, but we can scale back and do the base skin, which is my favourite part. The sun is moving in and out, so the lighting's gonna be fluctuating a lot, so don't mind that. But I had a little infection on my face, and it's scarred quite a bit, so don't mind that. We're using a combination of the Shameless Youthful Longwear Foundation from Marc Jacobs in the shade Tan, and the Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation from Uoma Beauty in the shade Brown Sugar T1W. So I'm going to mix those two together. If you want to see a detailed routine about how I do my foundation, you can click up there. Foundation is so messy. I already know that's entirely too much. The colour's a little bit off for me. Actually a lot off for me, but it's really too dark, but it's fine, we'll make it work. The Marc Jacobs in Tan was a little bit too dark. I went a bit too much heavy with that. Colour's a bit off anyway, but it's fine, it's all good. I'm just going to wear a shirt that cuts on my neck anyway, so it is all good. But I balance it out with the Brown Sugar T1W. W is the undertone, T1 is the colour, and then Brown Sugar is the category. Concealer I'm just going to whistle straight through because it's just my multi-sculpt from Too Faced in Butterscotch as always. Setting my under eye with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Blondie. Got some new in from Huda Beauty. This is the Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. This is the shade Tan, which is the second to last, which I think is actually really deep. Dual-ended brush in there. This is the Face Shape and Sculpt. So I'm going to do one side at a time because I'm not sure how quickly the product dries. Yeah, whoa, that's a lot of product. Ooh, it blends super easily. Super cool tone. That was way too much product from me. Thank goodness I'm doing one side at a time. So that's the difference. That was a lot. I used too much product, way too much product. I'm going to use medium, which is one shade up, which I actually think is probably more appropriate for my skin tone. That's a way better colouring for my skin. If you're similar skin tone to me, medium is definitely it for us. Oh, and I'm blending that in using a airbrush foundation brush from Luxie. When I go overboard, I literally just take my beauty blender and it just reduces the intensity because we all make mistakes. I'm gonna take a bit more of this medium and just just to balance out that colour because I'm looking scary. This next product might shock some of you, but I'm taking my Fenty bronzer. Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. If you watched my review and first impressions, you will know that I absolutely did not love this product at first. Someone basically said to me, you need to give it another chance, like it's actually a very good bronzer. So I've been using it with my own brushes because in my first impressions I used it with the Fenty brush. I like using it with the Morphe M527. This used to be my spin. I used to absolutely love this for bronzer. I haven't used it to bronze in ages. Right, and bronze up. This side looks very scary, don't mind that. Both sides look scary actually, that's great. I like a heavy bronzer, but even this is like intense for me. I'm gonna lock this stage of makeup in using my Becca Skin Love Glow, Shield, Prime and Set Mist. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking this Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Cream Liner. I also take that beneath the waterline because I'm going to smoke out the eyeshadow. You can also line the top of your eyes while you're here. Popping back into my Nabla palette, I'm going to take the black shade and I'm taking this on a Sigma Flat Definer E15. Set using that shade there. I want to use something that's earthy toned. I'm using the Hollywood lashes from Lilly Lashes. I got these in Miami. I didn't even know there was a Hollywood style. They look very, very similar to Miami. Before I do, the mascaras I'm using are the Marc Jacobs, what's this one called? Marc Jacobs Noir Velvet Major Volume Mascara and the Nabla Major Pleasure Mascara. Lashes are on. I also applied the Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeshadow. I feel like it just took the eyes to the next level. I really like this in the shade That's Fire. I applied it and then I blended it out with a brush. It's really done a lot for my eyes. Like, I really love the way that looks. I set my face real quick using the matte finish spray from NYX. There's so many lip combos that I've been loving at the moment. I want to give a special shout out to these two because I love them but I won't be using them today. The first one is this lip glass from MAC in the shade Premodel. The nicest glossy nude lip, like, it's so pretty. I was rinsing this in Miami. And also the Unripe Cherry Gloss from Limecrime, another absolutely stunning. This is more of like a pinky gloss. I don't even like pink glosses, but I love that. Just wanted to give a special shout out to those two because although I won't be using them today, they are top-notch glosses. First I'm going to go in with the liner Cork from MAC. I'm taking this Crush Liquid Lip from Bobbi Brown in the shade East Coast Slay. I'm not sure if this is meant to be glossy or matte. Liquid lip always just sounds matte to me, but this is definitely more a glossy consistency. Cork, the Bobbi Brown, and then Unripe Cherry, the extra Poppin from Limecrime. The new Huda Rest in Boss Face just came in the post. I'm going to use it because I've been seeing this everywhere and apparently it's like really intense. Although I just sprayed it just out there and it wasn't too bad. Okay, so I'm going to hold it as far back as I can without dislocating my arm. Oh yeah, the perfume smell, I can see what people are talking about. Yeah, super intense. First ingredient being alcohol. Contains alcohol and fragrances. Seek medical attention. Seek medical advice before using on sensitive skin or if reaction occurs. Discontinue use of any signs of skin inflammation or rash, irritation. I feel like I'm just going to spray some Febreze in the area to neutralise the scent, put my hair up and I'll be back to outro the video. I just put my hair up into this high as hell ponytail. Just get all of the hair out of my face. I think it just makes the makeup pop so much more and the hair is like out my face, and I laid down my edges as well, just for you guys. I haven't laid down my edges the whole time I've had this hairstyle in, but I was like, do you know what, I will lay down my edges because I love you guys and it looks better with the makeup. I actually really like this palette. The pigmentation in this palette is so good. This is the Secret palette from Nabla, so I would definitely use this again. This is the Tantour from Huda, but definitely in the medium shade and not the tan shade. So medium is like dark enough. Lip combo is always a standout for me. MAC Cork. I've been liking using Cork. Sometimes you don't want that really intense like deep brown that chestnut gives, unless you're obviously a deeper complexion. But if Cork shows up on you, then definitely give it a try. I really like it. It's like an oldie but a goodie. Pairing that with the Bobbi Brown East Coast Slay liquid lip. This is definitely more of a gloss, crushed liquid lip. Maybe the crush is what makes it gloss. And the Limecrime Extra Poppin, which is just a clear gloss. Love this. Love all of these. You can get all of these brands on ASOS as well. So MAC, Limecrime and Bobbi. Oh, this was such a nice product. This is the Hoodwitch collaboration with Smashbox Always On liquid eyeshadow in That's Fire. I feel like it really brought the entire eye look together so nicely, and the lashes as well really complement the style of eyeshadow. The Marc Jacobs foundation was too dark for me, but I love that Say What foundation from Uoma. It's so good, so good. If you haven't tried it, make sure you get a tester because it's lovely. It really saved the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.